This Cambodian dish is made with special shaped noodles. They are called silver needle noodles. Traditionally, they are obtained by pushing the rice dough through the holes of a sieve. The short noodles that form fall directly into boiling water. I'll show you a different technique to easily make them and how to stir fry them. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by making the dough. Put in a mixing bowl 250 grams of rice flour, 250 grams of tapioca starch. It will give a slightly chewy texture and prevent the dough from breaking. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Add 50 centiliters of boiling water. If the water is not boiling, the dough will be brittle. And half tablespoon of oil. Mix with a spatula. Then knead for 3 minutes. Cover to prevent it from drying. Put a piece of baking paper in front of the board. Take a piece of dough. Knead it to make it flexible. Roll it with the palms of your hands to make a long string of about 1 centimeter in diameter. Cut it into pieces of about 2 centimeters. The noodles should be tapered at the ends and wider in the center. They should be 5 to 6 centimeters long. To shape them quickly and easily, roll the beaten bits of dough under the back of your palm. Make 3 back and forth movements. By this stage, you can freeze them or keep them for a day in the fridge. Cover while preparing the other ingredients. We can enjoy this dish with a side sauce. It could be the nyok cham sauce. You can watch my video to learn how to make it. We can also make a garlic and vinegar sauce. For this, chop 3 cloves of garlic. Put them in a jar. Cut 2 garlic leaves. One chilli. Add 15 centiliters of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. Combine. Keep a jar in the fridge. Now prepare the ingredients to stir fry the noodles. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Cut 150 grams of garlic leaves into sections. Shallot trimms. cut them down the back. Remove their intestinal vein if necessary. For the seasoning sauce, in a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for a nice color, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of ground pepper. Combine. Cook the noodles over high heat in a pot of boiling water for about 5 minutes. Gently stir them. And let them come up to the surface. Drain them. Rinse them with cold water. Soak them in cold water so they will have a good texture. When they are cool, drain them. Fry 4 eggs. In a pan heated over high heat, put 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put the eggs. Water them with the oil to coagulate the whites. When the underside of the eggs is golden, take them out and keep them warm. Pour the oil from the cooking of the eggs into a bigger pan. Add another tablespoon of oil. The fire is still high. When it's hot, put the shrimp. Stir for 1 minute. Take them out, leaving the oil in the pan. Add the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When the garlic begins to be golden, add the noodles and the seasoning sauce. Stir from time to time for 4 minutes. Add the shrimp. Stir for 30 seconds. Put the bean sprouts and the garlic leaves. Stir for 20 seconds. And turn off the heat. Serve the plates. Put 1 egg on the noodles. Also serve a small bowl of soy sauce. The Lort chai is ready. Bon appétit! These short noodles are tender and slightly chewy. Made fresh at home, they are delicious. The taste of garlic leaves makes this dish really special. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.